How to treat dyshidrotic eczema. Dyshidrotic eczema goes by many names, including foot and hand eczema, pompholyx, and vesicular palmoplantar eczema. Dyshidrotic eczema is characterized by the appearance of tiny blisters on the palms, fingers, and soles of the feet. The cause of this skin disorder is unknown, but several factors are known to trigger the condition, including exposure to nickel or cobalt, a fungal infection, allergies, and/or excessive stress. The skin affected by the blisters tends to get thicker and scaly with time, leading to itching, inflammation, and redness. You can treat dyshidrotic eczema with home remedies, and follow up with medical intervention for severe cases. Treating dyshidrotic eczema at home. Use cold and wet compresses to relieve irritation. Cold compresses can help relieve the itching and/or burning sensation caused by eczema. Cold therapy can also reduce the inflammation of the blisters and help numb the irritated nerve endings which generate pain. Soak a clean, soft cloth in cold water and put it in the fridge for a few hours before wrapping around your inflamed hands or feet. Wrap your inflamed skin with the cold compress for at least 15 minutes, 2 to 3 times daily or as needed. To make the cold compress last a little longer, place crushed ice in a small plastic bag and wrap it with a soft cloth before applying to your skin. Avoid soaking your inflamed hands or feet in ice. It may give relief initially, but it can cause shock to your blood vessels and lead to frostbite. Apply aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is a popular herbal remedy for inflamed and irritated skin. It has a strong ability to not only soothe irritated itchy skin and reduce tenderness caused by dyshidrotic eczema, but it also significantly speeds up the healing process. Aloe vera also has antimicrobial properties, which is helpful if your eczema is triggered or exacerbated by fungal or bacterial infections. Applying aloe vera multiple times per day for the first few days after you notice redness and irritation on your hands or feet can make a significant impact on combating eczema. Aloe vera contains polysaccharides, complex sugars that help to hydrate skin and keep it moisturized. It can also trigger the production of collagen, which gives skin its elasticity. If you have an aloe plant in your garden, break off a leaf and apply the thick inner gel juice directly to your irritated skin. Alternatively, buy a bottle of pure aloe gel from a pharmacy. For best effects, place the gel in the refrigerator and apply it after it becomes cool. Consider applying oatmeal. Oatmeal is another home remedy for soothing irritated skin. It works fairly quickly to reduce inflamed and itchy skin. Oat extract contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, which is helpful to soothe skin inflicted with eczema. Thus, make a batch of oatmeal not too thick, cool it down for a few hours in the fridge and then apply it directly to your inflamed skin, allowing it to dry. Rinse it off with some running water, but do so gently because oatmeal also acts as a mild exfoliator and you don't want to further irritate your skin. As an alternative, buy finely ground oatmeal sold as colloidal oatmeal in health food stores and pharmacies and mix it with cool water in a small basin or foot bath and soak your hands or feet for 15 to 20 minutes on a daily basis. As a money-saving idea, make your own finely ground oatmeal by pulverizing a handful of instant or slow-cooking oatmeal in a blender until it has a smooth, fine consistency. You'll find that the finely ground oatmeal mixes with water much better. Keep your skin moist by applying thick ointments or creams. Heavy ointments such as petroleum jelly, Vaseline, mineral oil or vegetable shortening are commonly recommended for eczema because it holds moisture in the skin and provides a layer of protection from potential irritants. Alternatively, creams such as Eucerin and Lubriderm are thicker than most lotions and may also be similarly helpful, although they will have to be reapplied more often than ointments because they get absorbed quicker. Moisturize your skin throughout the day, particularly after taking a bath or shower, to keep water sealed in and to prevent skin dryness, cracking. If the eczema is particularly itchy and irritating, consider applying some hydrocortisone cream. Over-the-counter hydrocortisone cream less than 1% is helpful for quickly reducing pain and swelling. Take the time to massage the cream or ointment into the crevices between your toes and/or fingers, as those are the areas often affected by dyshidrotic eczema. Take antihistamines to reduce itchiness. Over-the-counter antihistamines such as diphenhydramine Benadryl or loratadine Claritin, Alavert, others can help relieve the itching and inflammation response that's characteristic of eczema. More specifically, antihistamines block the action of histamine, which is produced during allergic-type reactions. Reducing the amount of circulating histamine tends to minimize the expansion dilation of small blood vessels beneath the skin, which reduces redness and itchiness sensation in the skin. Antihistamines can cause drowsiness, dizziness, blurred vision and confusion, so don't drive or operate heavy machinery while on histamines.
Thank you for watching. Find out the natural solution for your health in the description below.